What if nature wasn't the backdrop to our lives, but the central character? For Dominican artist Hulda Guzmán, that's where every painting begins. Living in the rainforest mountains of Samaná, she draws inspiration from one of the Caribbean's most biodiverse landscapes. Here, family members, animals, spirits, and mythical beings share the same spaces, moving through dreamlike worlds where the boundaries between seen and unseen realities dissolve. Spanning the last decade, these paintings trace the evolution of Guzman's practice. From intimate studio and domestic scenes painted on wooden panels to expansive landscapes. Filled with mystery and transformation, her paintings invite us to see the natural world as a living force, one that surrounds us, shapes us, and ultimately connects us. Guzman starts by observing and painting the natural landscape around her studio. She then uses digital tools to add characters and build narratives, layering personal photographs, found images, and art historical references. The result is a visual language where perspectives shift, scales collide, and unexpected encounters unfold. We find the artist at home, in her studio, and even unwell in bed. Often, everyday life becomes extraordinary. Trees grow impossibly through buildings. Windows frame views of dense rainforest. Animals and creatures inhabit interior spaces. Inspired by psychologist Carl Jung's idea of the shadow self, these creatures represent emotions and impulses we often struggle to acknowledge. Rather than pushing them away, Guzman welcomes them into her paintings, treating them as part of life's natural balance. The mystery of nature lies at the heart of her practice. Drawing on Caribbean traditions, in which spirituality, folklore, and nature remain deeply intertwined, Guzman's paintings reveal unseen forces of nature. These energies are felt in the intensity of the Dominican sun, the changing colours of the ocean, the ecosystem of the rainforest, and the stillness of the heat. Using gouache, a type of water-based paint similar to watercolour, and luminous pigments, Guzman captures the unique atmosphere of the Caribbean, both its beauty and unpredictability. At a time when climate change threatens fragile ecosystems, Guzman's paintings are both celebration and warning. They ask us to imagine a different relationship with nature, one rooted not in separation, but in connection. As the exhibition title suggests, "Please awake," asked nature kindly.